Bunions are enlarged bony bumps that form on the joint at the base of the big toe. Bunions cause pain and stiffness in the joint due to pressure and inflammation. Women are more likely to develop bunions, especially if they wear high heels or have professions that require them to be on their feet all day. Essential oils can be used to treat and manage bunion pain due to their natural anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Lavender essential oil reduces pain and inflammation surrounding the joints. Ginger essential oil eases pain, increases mobility, and reduces swelling. Peppermint essential oil calms and cools arthritic pain. Helichrysum essential oil reduces pain and inflammation. Eucalyptus essential oil soothes joint and muscle pain. Basil essential oil reduces swelling, aching, and joint stiffness. Chamomile essential oil calms inflammation and relieves pain. Eucalyptus, lemon, and frankincense essential oils can help dissolve bunions by stimulating circulation, reducing inflammation, and promoting healing. Regular massages can relieve pain, swelling, and discomfort, improve muscle tone, and correct foot and toe alignment. Epsom salt baths can also help relieve pain, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation when used in combination with essential oils. Natural treatments and exercises, along with medical advice, can slow the progression of bunions and reduce pain. Some recommended essential oils for bunions include peppermint, chamomile, eucalyptus, basil, frankincense, lemon, ginger, and lavender.